Hello and welcome again on Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about Vipshop Holdings Limited, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name VIPS. Well, what is most important to understand about VIPS, that after having a really long and nice period of growth from 15 to actually level of 45, really enormous 3 times growth, we can see here that took place from September to all the way, let's say, middle of March. Then we had a correction phase, and this is really a correction because it was one channel correction. You can see it clearly here. And actually what is happening now, and this is really interesting, we see the break of a correction. It was also taking place here, you can say by end of April, but still the channel was not formed, so it was fake, a false break actually, and that's why it led to further decline. But now what we see is a classical breakout, because it started from the middle after previous bounce from the top, and also it formed a platform, and the platform on rebounds is this, let's say, pattern here. It's a called platform here on rebounds. It's a classical rebound. So now what might be happening, either we will further a little bit slide down on the top, on the roof of this channel, and then rebounds, or we immediately go higher from tomorrow, going maybe 22, 21, which is the level of moving average 50. If this will be broken, then of course we can go all the way to 26. And then after this breakout, we still need to return a little bit lower again to the roof of this channel, and only then the final rebounds might take place. So it's kind of a two-step play. But anyway, this pattern is very bullish here, and anything which lies between the level of 20, let's say a little bit lower, actually, let's say 1992, and here 1832 is really very nice and strong buy as a first level. So let's write it down: 1832 and 1992. Really nice level already as an immediate buy call. We can write it here. So let's do it in the form of a call out. We can write, and this will be 1832 to 1992. Let's make it a bit bigger for our convenience. So this is the first technical level, which is very bullish, immediate rebounds. And then if we go to 22, 21, you can already say it's between 15-20% profit here could be made. And if we go a little bit lower even, so we can write here quite, let's say, promising and nice profit taking note, which will be between 15 and 20% from the money allocated in the position. And then, of course, which might be still happening, it could slide down a little bit lower, although not expected because this pattern is usually quite strong. But if happening, we just want to keep some funds there, and it will be then this level formed by actually previous year, beginning of October, and will be also the bottom of the current declining channel if this happens, but it's really, really unlikely. So this will be then between 1477 and 1588. We can write it here as a next call out for ourselves. So let's do it. 1477 and 1588. So this will be the second level to buy through. The first technical is not working, but this is really an unlikely situation. And then we just need to keep into account possible negative catalyst mitigation, which is, let's say, the price decline due to negative news or something related to the company or to the sector. And then we just need to take into account this principal level, although this scenario is almost impossible. Should be really some nasty news which is not expected here, and this will be then between 1204 and 1316. It's not that we are going there at all, it's just that we want to keep some funds if price declines, because our strategy is without any stop loss scenario, but we keep some funds to mitigate risks. So it's a risk mitigation scenario, meaning that we keep some funds to buy the very principal levels low. And how we buy through, this is another story, and we can talk about it now. So before going there, also let's define here midterm levels, and midterm levels would be somewhere between, let's say, 25 almost, and 28.47. So if you are, let's say, going to wait here longer, this should be achievable within the next few months, giving you even more profit. But for, let's say, quick profit, you can orient to 15 to 20%. And now, how to buy through these three levels? To buy through these three levels, actually, you need to do it non-linearly. And as I said, because already second level is already very strong, it's so the third one is almost unreachable. So we are not going to do 5 portion. We will do a little bit more optimistic. So we will do it 4 portion play. What does it mean? It means that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 4 portions. Then you can buy with 1 portion in the first level. If we decline to the second one, you can buy with another 1 portion. And even in the case of very unlikely scenario, we have a very negative catalyst, we decline to the third level, then you can buy with remaining 2 portions. This way it will be actually best optimization for our profit versus loss. Let's write it again. And as you can see here, we are not talking about stop loss. We just buy money with time. So we are interested only on the principal levels on daily based candles and buying through non-linearly. So this is way to trade. Idea is that in the worst case scenario, you exit with a draw. In the best case scenario, you take the profit, and you are okay to wait a little bit longer. So you buy through non-linear. If you like this way of trading stocks without doing any stop loss analysis and without actually need to look at every 15-minute candles and actually waiting for those daily based, let's say, behaviors, then this is maybe the way for you. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and interesting discussions for US based stocks. And with this being said, good luck with Vipshop, and see you at another episodes of Stocks Advisor channel.